My name's Dugue, and this is our farm. It's called Chez Dugue Meats. Today we're baling some second cut round bale haylage. It's a beautiful day for October, the scenery's awesome, and we're going for a drive. So our farm is in the Avon Valley toward the back, toward the southwest side. Surrounding us just in front here is the Avon River. It surrounds our dike land, which is about 110 acres. And you can see the barns way up there, 2 kilometers further up, closer to Ski Martok, which is just across the road basically. We're going to make a 52 to 53 inch bale today. They're going to end up weighing anywhere from 600 to 700 pounds, which is a good weight to roll out because they come out nice and hard and round. It can be preference. Large square bales handle pretty easily. They can be anywhere from 300 to 700 or 800 pounds. Round baling over small square bales, yes, there's a big labor saving component, but this summer we still managed to make, despite some trying conditions, approximately 4,800 or 5,000 square bales and delivered them. We farm an approximately 7 head herd of mixed cows and Limousin bull, so cross cattle, as a cow-calf operation. Ones that we sell for freezer beef, we have killed in an inspected facility and cut and wrap here in our own facility right on the farm. We also process deer and moose and make sausage and supply a couple of restaurants as customers. A lot of restaurants are moving back to local beef now, and it's lovely to see people appreciating local product all the time too.